When you search for the best bungee cords for backpacking, everything looks the same. Same colors, same claims, same photos. But the real differences that can make or break your outdoor adventure are hidden deeper. Product number 1, BXSLE Heavy Duty Bungee Cords. First up, we have the BXSLE Heavy Duty Bungee Cords. Priced at just $9.98, these 24-inch cords really caught my attention with their no-odor design and impressive ratings of 4.7 stars from over 3,300 reviews. If you want reliable, heavy-duty support for your outdoor gear, this is worth a serious look. That means whether you're securing a tent or strapping down your gear, you can trust they won't let you down. They're made from high-quality latex and are UV-resistant, making them perfect for any weather. The J-hook design ensures a secure grip, and the heavy-duty wire hook won't rust or lose its shape, which is a common issue with cheaper options. Now, some people complained about the cords being a bit too short for larger loads. Here's the thing though, if you mainly need them for securing smaller items, this length is perfect. If you're looking for something to handle bigger gear, you might want to look at longer options. This is perfect for you if you're a hiker or camper looking to keep your gear secure without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need extra long cords for larger items. Honestly, for the price, you get great value for money. Product number 2, HORUSDY 31-piece bungee cords assortment. Now, if the BXSLE cords length bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Let's talk about the HORUSDY 31-piece premium bungee cords assortment jar. For $14.99, you get an impressive variety of sizes, from 10 inches to 40 inches, which is fantastic for all your needs. Why does this matter? The ABS-coated hooks prevent scratches, which keeps your gear looking good as new. Plus, the included tarp clips mean you can secure various thicknesses without worry. With over 12,400 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, people are loving the convenience. Now, some users mentioned that the smaller cords can stretch too much for heavier items. But here's the thing, if you're using them for light to moderate loads, they hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values versatility and needs a variety of lengths for different tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty options only. For $14.99, I'd say the value is definitely there. Product number 3, GOEASY 312 Premium Bungee Cords. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a larger set. Check out the GOEASY 312 Premium Bungee Cords. At $21.99, this 20-piece set includes everything from 10 to 48-inch cords, which is quite generous. What's the big deal? They also feature coated steel hooks that won't scratch your equipment, and the natural latex inner core offers superior elasticity. This makes them ideal for securing larger loads, be it camping gear or anything else. With a 4.6-star rating from nearly 4,800 reviews, users appreciate the durable quality. However, some folks found the hooks to be a bit bulky for tight spaces. They're designed to hold strong under pressure. This is perfect for you if you need flexibility with multiple sizes for various outdoor needs. Skip this if you just want a couple of heavy-duty cords. The price reflects the quality and variety you're getting. Product number 4, ELEAD Heavy Duty Bungee Cords. Next up is the ELEAD Heavy Duty Bungee Cords. Priced reasonably at $16.99, this 20-piece set is designed for those who need reliable performance in harsh conditions. These cords are crafted from top-quality rubber, making them durable against sun and rain. The UV-resistant coating helps them last longer, which is a huge plus if you're outdoors often. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's clear people trust these for securing their gear. Now, a few users mentioned that they wished the storage jar was sturdier. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful with how you store them, the cords themselves are the real stars here. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable set for heavy-duty use during your camping trips. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option for minor tasks. Honestly, for the price, you're getting a solid value. Product number 5, Jonas Mini Bungee Cords. Finally, let's look at the Jonas Mini Bungee Cords. At just $9.99, this 18-pack of assorted mini cords is perfect for smaller jobs or quick fixes. These cords are made from high elastic rubber and are UV resistant, which is great if you need to secure smaller items while traveling or decorating. The sizes range from 2 to 9 inches, making them perfect for lightweight applications. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviews, many users appreciate their convenience for various small tasks. However, some users found them too small for heavy-duty use. But honestly, if you need something for light tasks or to bundle small items, these are excellent. This is perfect for you if you want to keep small items secured on the go. Skip this if you're after something heavy-duty. For the price, they offer great value for light-duty tasks. So to wrap this up, we've covered a range of Bungee cords, from the heavy-duty BXSLE to the versatile HORUSDY set, the expansive GOESY 312, the reliable ELEAD, and the handy Jonas mini cords. Each one serves a specific need, so think about what you'll use them for and choose accordingly. Happy backpacking!